Okay, so I'm assuming that I clicked it at the same time. Hopefully. Hi guys. Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Caitlin and I do stuff. I am currently in the process of trying to get my analytics up so I can qualify for something called the YouTuber partnership program, which basically, if you don't know, that is a program in which you basically apply for it and then you become eligible for like YouTube AdSense money. I think like basically when you become a partner of the YouTube part, you get it. You get paid. You start getting paid for your videos. Like you actually start to get paid. I'm currently in the process of trying to get my numbers up so that I can apply. So if you want to support my channel, if I'm somebody that you want to like see them grow and like, yeah, I'm rooting for you, girl. The best way, the absolute best way that you can support me right now and continuing onward is by watching my videos from start to finish. So just please don't skip. Sit down, grab your popcorn, grab your blanket, grab your comfiest pillow, get cozy, okay? Just don't skip. Just please don't skip. Anyway, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of some Glossier products that I got. It's going to be a short video because I only purchased one thing and then it came with like 2 samples. So a quick video and I'm going to show you. So yeah, interestingly enough, the tape is like, that's what their tape looks like. Glossier. Okay. I think I cut that open. Did I? Oh my god, wait. I did. Okay. Ooh, fancy. I love doing the thumbnails so much. It's my favorite part. It's like it's so silly. Okay, so as you saw, Glossier. Also, guys, comment down below. What do you think of the new microphone? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't know. It's very like. It's very ASMR. I should make ASMR. Comment down below if you want me to make ASMR with the new microphone that I got. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. So, in the box we have the little package. It's so weird because like they sent me a huge box for like this little thing. And then the rest is their like, you know, their brand paper. You can't really see it on the camera, but it has like a little G all over it. Oh, look at that. The bottom of the box has like a little smiley face. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Anyway, so here's my package. Maybe I should move the microphone into the shot. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'll think. Oh, wait, actually, I should put it like right here, right? Oh, well, that's so weird. That looks, no. No, that looks weird. I guess I will keep it. I guess I will keep it in the shot. I don't know. Anyway. This is what it looks like. Maybe I can title this as like a soft-spoken ASMR. I don't know. So before I show you the product that I purchased, I'm going to show you guys the free samples that it came with. So the first free sample that we have here is, I believe this is some foundation samples of theirs. Here's what packaging looks like on that. Very, very nice, you know, very chic. I love doing ASMR so much. It's just the little tappies. And then this is the back. This is the back of the packaging. They show you all the different, like, here we go. They show you all the different shades, like the shade range that they have going on. That's pretty cool. If it'll focus, I don't know. There we go. Oh, okay, now it's focusing on me. There. Anyway, so that was the first thing that I got, was this little sample. It was free with my purchase, by the way, if I didn't already like make that clear. Ooh, okay. Interesting. The second sample that I got from this package was this little, I believe it's their Body Hero lotion. It comes in this little like package bag thing. I don't know what to call that. Am I doing a good job? Am I doing ASMR correctly? Anyway, the lotion comes in this tiny little sample baggie here. It looks super flat. It almost looks like there's nothing in this thing, which kind of sucks. I don't know. I was expecting there to be at least like a little bit more in it, but I mean, I can't really complain. It's a sample size, you know what I'm saying? And then again, they have like a little smiley face on their packaging here. That's so cute. And then they have the like the stickies. Let's see if I can peel that off. Oh, that didn't really make a satisfying sound. Hold on. Yeah, anyway, I should put this in like, there we go. I should have it set up like that, right? That'd be cute, right? Okay, yeah, anyway. Okay, so the product that I purchased will come right after this. So there's a little Glossier. I like saying Glossier personally. It sounds fancy when I say it like that. Glossier. But if it'll focus here. I got a little sticker with my purchase. It says Glossier Stretch. Okay, so the product that I purchased, drum roll please, is this little Glossier lip gloss. It's what I like to believe is their signature lip gloss, the one that like was super popularized back in like 2019, I think, like 2018, 2019. I only know this because the only time I ever owned this lip gloss was back in 2019, which I would then end up losing alongside my entire purse with all of my belongings in it. Like back in 2019, there was one point where I lost my purse, my phone, my wallet, like everything that was in my purse, including this little lip gloss. I know I'm like holding it upside down here, I'm sorry. Anyway, that's what the lip gloss looks like. I don't know how to hold this better. Maybe I could like zoom in better. There we go. Okay. So we got this like little Glossier lip gloss here. Very cute, very cute. And then you can like open it. Hold on. Ooh, I know y'all heard that one. It doesn't have a smell. Okay. Yep. It says lip gloss, gloss à livres. Probably butchered that word. I do not speak any language outside of English. But here's what that says on the bottle. You can just like barely see it there, but I swear it's there. But yeah, that is everything in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini unboxing haul, ASMR, whatever you would like to call this. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like. Comment down below if you would like to see me do more ASMR like this, or like more close-up, like whispering and stuff like that. I can do that too. I can do whispering videos. Personally, I'm somebody who really enjoys like soft-spoken ASMR. Like it's not whispering. It's not whispering. It's soft-spoken. You know what I'm saying? Let me zoom out here. Here we go. I'm somebody who enjoys soft-spoken ASMR. Not so much like the whispering ones, like where they're up close and personal and they're like, hey, do you have the answer for number 3? God, I hate this class so fucking much. Like, those like roleplay ASMRs, I could do those too. That would be fun. Ooh, that would be fun. That would be fun. Comment down below. Comment down below. Would you like to see more videos like this? Should I utilize my microphone? Should I make more ASMR content? Would y'all like that? Please comment down below in the description. Also, oh yeah, look at that. I cut my bangs. You might have noticed I gave my bangs a little trim. They were getting long. Oh, I think I'm also gonna start making like talking videos, like obviously for like ASMR purposes. Like I feel like that would get more views, and so like my channel would grow a lot easier. It doesn't have to be like the only niche that I do. I'll still continue to do everything else that I do because it's my fucking channel. But like, I'm thinking that I can do story times of like soft-spoken ASMR story times. Like story time, the time I almost died in a parking lot. Like real story, true story. Like no, but actually though, I don't know, what do you guys think? If you made it to the end of this video from start to finish, thank you so much. You don't understand how much that helps my channel to grow. You don't understand how much that helps get those numbers up, and I'm just one step closer to being able to apply for the YouTube partnership program. So thank you guys for all of you who watch my videos from start to finish. I love you. And click the bell notification so that you can always stay updated on when I post. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to like it. And if you want more of my content, click the subscribe button. It really, really helps. I think that's everything. So until next time, you know the drill. Bye!